So here's the thing. I never thought making memes on the internet is ever gonna get me anything. Harald Baldr, for those of you who don't know, is a YouTuber, is a travel vlogger who makes travel videos. I highly recommend you check out his videos. If you don't know who he is, you're not gonna get the meme. I'm gonna put the meme that won me $200 at the end of this video. So if you follow Harald Baldr, especially Sri Lanka travels, you would know about the Yes Man.
Yes.
Who is a guy that followed him in one of his videos.
Yes.
Yes, go. So
No.
then I can do my shopping.
Yes.
He says yes, but he doesn't leave.
I'll put that video in the description as well, so you get a little bit of context if you're completely new. But yeah, I was making a lot of memes for Harald on Instagram, and so there were a lot of people who were sending in a lot of memes on various different topics, from Yes Man to pretty much anything, you know, Rati Devi memes, all of that. So yeah, I think we were all just making just to have a good laugh, you know, and we never expected anything out of it. And one day Harald just makes an Instagram story saying that he's gonna gift, or not really gift, but he's gonna have a meme competition of sorts. He didn't say what the prize was gonna be, but you know, we've already been making memes for so long that I didn't even think that I would be anywhere close to winning. But I think I made one good meme. I mean, the rest of them were okay, but yeah, that meme apparently got me, that one got me $200, so it was definitely worthwhile spending the time. It was one of the memes that I spent the most amount of time on making, but there were other ones that didn't take that long. They were just little photoshops, but this one was like a video. I'll add the clip at the end of this video so you know, so that you can see the work that I did. Super stoked about winning it. Never expected it. But yeah, there were so many other good memes as well. Actually, Harald made a compilation video of all the good memes that he got that were sent in. So that one has a lot of funny ones as well. So I'll link that video in the description as well, so you can check that out. But yeah, $200. Super stoked about it. I'm right now in Delhi, and I'm gonna be heading out to, I don't know where. I haven't decided yet, but I'm definitely gonna be traveling out soon. So, and that money is gonna be helping me with my travels. All right, so that's enough rambling. Go watch the video. Here it is.
Yeah.
Yes, excuse me, yes.
What's up? I'm doing this little shopping here.
Yes. Yes.
You like to say yes. Do you speak English? Do you speak English?
Oh, yes.
Can you tell this man to go?
Yes, sir.
So I can shop in peace? Tell him to leave. I don't like him.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I don't like you, so you can go down there.
Yes, sir.